Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Clue Analytics. Today we are going to present a short flashcard quiz developed with the help of Gemini Advanced based on information from the internet. We are going to test some questions around Nigeria. So some of the questions might not be that very tricky. Some might be a bit tricky, some might be difficult depending on how well you know Nigeria. So we have different difficulty level: easy, medium, hard. So you can choose which level to start with. So for this, we are starting with the easy, going all the way to the hard questions. So let's see what the questions are. Try to test your knowledge and then see how well you know some of these stuffs.
Nigeria is a member of which international organization? United Nations. What type of government does Nigeria have? Presidential Republic. Which of these is a famous Nigerian author? Chinua Achebe. What is the name of Nigeria's main international airport? Murtala Muhammed International Airport. What is the highest point in Nigeria? Chappal Wadi. What is the official language of Nigeria? English. What is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. What is the predominant religion in northern Nigeria? Islam. What is the official name of Nigeria? Federal Republic of Nigeria. When did Nigeria gain independence? (1960). What is the currency of Nigeria? What is the most populous city in Nigeria? Lagos. Which river is the longest in Nigeria? River Niger. What is the predominant religion in southern Nigeria? Christianity. Which of these is a popular Nigerian dish? Jollof rice.
How many do you get right? Write it on the comment section. This is the easy level. We will see the medium and the hard levels as well. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more interesting